So NYX has launched some new lip glosses called NYX Butter Gloss Bling, and we're gonna try them out. Hey Socialites, welcome back. And if you're new here, I'm Ariell. I do mainly beauty content, fragrance, and lifestyle. So if those are the type of videos you enjoy watching, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and come join the family. So NYX Butter Glosses are some of my favorite lip glosses, period. I have more butter glosses in my makeup collection than any other lip gloss that I own by far. I may have almost all of them, I'm not sure. But they launched these butter glosses that are like a bling edition. Like they're glittery, they're shimmery. They launched 8 shades and I picked up 7 of them. So let's try them on. I'm also going to do some lip combinations to sort of get an idea of how they look on top of other lipsticks. So we're going to jump right into it. Y'all, in person, this is really pretty. I'm not sure how it's translating on camera, but this is gorgeous looking in the mirror. So I'm going to take Kola lip liner from Juvia's Place, which is like a deep brown. This is similar to like Chestnut from MAC. So let's try layering it on top of a nude lipstick. I'm going to use one of the Skin by Kim nude lipsticks. And put the same Bling gloss on top. So one thing I'm noticing, y'all, this wand is a lot smaller and stiffer than the original butter glosses. So you're gonna have to go back into the component a lot more than what you would. I feel like on top of the lipstick, I don't see the glitter as much as I did when it was just on the bare lip, but it's still really pretty. I like how reflective it is. Okay, next. Ooh, I like this even better. Y'all, this is gold. To me, this one is pretty all by itself. So let's put Kola back on as the lip liner. This is giving like that 90s lip. Like I remember when my mom used to wear a brown liner with like that gold frosted lipstick. Some people did silver. That's 90s. So let's try a brown liner. I'm going to switch to the Skin by Kim Nude Liner in 14. And for the lipstick, this used to be one of my favorites, y'all. Free Bird from NARS, which is a coral shade. This one is super flattering on my skin tone. So far my favorite is Pay Me in Gold and this one, Pricey. This is another one where you don't need a liner, a lipstick, nothing. It just looks good. Lip liner. When I get close on it, I do see a lot of glitter, but I just think it sort of fades into my lip a lot. Like the shade fades into my lip where you can't see it as it's not showing up as reflective as the other shades on my lip tone. I know these are gonna be lip glosses that look even better outside in natural sunlight. So let's try it on top of a nude lipstick. With Pricey, even on top of lipstick, the glitter is not as pronounced. So we're gonna layer that one. I'm gonna do a brown line with the Rihanna Hot Pink. This one is the Fenty Unlocked Stunna Lip Paint. Forgot how pretty this lipstick is. And then we're gonna go back on top. We have one more. I'm not gonna layer these because my lips are done. Okay. At this point, they feel sore. I like them all. I think they're all really pretty, and I'm glad I picked so many of them up. I think there was only one that I think I didn't get, and I don't really know why, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and it inspires you guys to try something different. Layer some of your lip products together and maybe try picking up one of these Bling glosses if you're somebody that's into like glitter or shimmer. And I think they would be perfect for like going out or something like that. So if you're new here, welcome. I would love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.
'Cause I've been where you are. Don't you step to show me love. 'Cause to